ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 25th day of September. And oh, those golden days of fall, getting deeper and deeper into the season. And looks like we'll enjoy more fantastic weather for a while. Let's go to some Skycam shots this afternoon. First off at Gulf Shores. You know, the beach really took a pounding from the tropical systems down there. Gustav and even Ike with a lot of surge there, even though it went into Texas. And it looks like they're in the process of replenishing some of the sand on the public beach. That's the view coming from the Phoenix All Suites, looking back off to the west on a brilliantly sunny day. Mount Cheaha, another fine place to be. Got a few contrails up there, and that's about it. That's Alabama's highest mountain. The elevation up there, 2,407 feet. And we're looking right down the mountains there, the Talladega Mountains. And we'll take a look at our Tuscaloosa Skycam over in West Alabama. Things are looking good there. Looking off to the east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. And off in the distance, you can see Bryant-Denny Stadium and DCH Regional Medical Center. We're in great shape, but look at that storm over there just off the coast of the Carolinas. A classic subtropical hybrid type system, not your classic warm core storm, but it has all the punch of a tropical storm, even a hurricane. There's temperatures, boy, they look good, don't they? Mostly upper 70s around here. Those are at 1 o'clock today. Most spots will see a high close to 80, and the same deal can be expected tomorrow. And a number of the cooler valleys were indeed in the upper 40s this morning. Check the blog for all the lows. Rain, nothing. Looks dry for the next 7 days. This valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And quite frankly, it looks dry for the foreseeable future on out to mid-month, mid-October. And that's pretty normal for this time of the year. This is the driest time of the year in the state. And, of course, all the big rains will be on the upper part of the Atlantic coast. There's our coastal storm as seen from the Wilmington radar. Very nice circulation showing up, wind and rain whipping up into Cape Fear. And that's going to be very, very inclement in the next 24 to 36 hours for that region. There's the satellite perspective. The surface low is just to the south of Cape Fear, and that'll be drifting slowly inland with time. Hey, and don't forget, we've got the other one down there. This is 93L. That is north of Puerto Rico and east of the Bahamas. That's moving north. Now, the modeling has shifted to the right, which is certainly good news for New England. Most all the guidance now takes it up across the Canadian Maritimes, not with any landfall in the United States coastline. But still, it might be close enough for a lot of wind and rain around Cape Cod and maybe the coast of Maine this weekend. Let's look at the GFS. What do you say? This is at 1 o'clock tomorrow, Friday, at 500 millibars. There's the upper-level feature. That's our coastal storm that is drifting slowly to the west. Down below that, it's a stacked system. The surface low is near Columbia, South Carolina. The really nasty weather is north of that deep onshore flow, very windy, low pressure over South Carolina, high pressure off to the northeast of Maine. Wet, windy, and wild for the coast all the way from Wilmington up to Cape Cod, even the coast of Maine. Around here, great weather. Moisture as far west as the mountains of northern Georgia, and that's about it. Saturday, we stay dry. What could be Tropical Storm Kyle is lifting north. And then Sunday, that system is up over the Canadian Maritimes. And again, the weather here, beautiful. Cool nights, warm days. Monday of next week, same story. Let's look at Tuesday of next week. Note that big 588 ridge over the mountains out west, pumping up the ridge over western Canada. The downstream trough is evolving, and Wednesday it looks good over the eastern U.S., and that should deliver the coolest air so far this season. Look at that northerly flow there. This run not quite as deep on the trough, and we'll see that fluctuate, but the bottom line is this should deliver a nice shot of Canadian air. And Thursday of next week looks really nice. That cool air in here, highs in the 70s and lows probably down in the 40s at that point. And at the end of the forecast period, the 11th of October, hey, another good-looking cold trough over the east. That's suggesting some snow for the Great Lakes, and really the thickness values come on down. We wonder if we might be flirting with 30s and some scattered frost out there if this is right. And again, this is valid October the 11th, so Pattern looking progressively colder as we get deeper into fall. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We will have notes on our blog, alabamawx.com. And don't forget the next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.